Here is a secret the top YouTube channel never want you to know.
You can now generate viral video prompts for any video in the world.
Yes, any viral video instantly without spending hours.
Watch till the end. We'll show you exactly how to do it step by step.
If you're new here, my name is Prashant. I spent over 15 years working in film and animation industry for studios like DreamWorks and MPC.
And now we've started NoCodeDad, a community where my dad teaches me how to use AI and automation to make real income and build some cool projects.
You can even hack to our school community right now and download the setup right away.
The link's in the description below.
Alright guys, let's get started. So this is the setup I'm talking about. It's called Video Prompt Generator Setup.
Sounding fancy.
And this setup consists of 4 parts: analyze video, generate prompts, create videos, and then publish videos. This will help us in generating video prompts on autopilot. Let's dive in. Step 1. Analyze videos. So the first node is schedule trigger. What this node does is it tells your setup how often you want to run this setup. So it's a trigger. So let's execute this node. The second node of our setup is called get rows in sheet.
This node basically reads the sheet.
So let's talk about the Google Sheet which we're gonna use for this setup. So this is the Google Sheet. Let's make reel 10.
Yeah.
Make prompt should be create, and then this setup works by downloading viral video which you like and storing it in your Cloudinary account or a Google Drive account. So this is a website called cloudinary.com. It has a free plan, so you can store like a certain amount of data every month for free, and this is publicly available to you on your n8n. We downloaded a couple of viral videos which we got from these Instagram pages. So the first one is this one. We're gonna take inspiration from those videos and our setup will generate the video prompt for them on autopilot. So let's use this video. Copy the URL link from here and then paste it into our Google Sheet. So let's go back to n8n. So let's understand what we are doing inside get rows in sheet node. Step 1 is to define our Google Sheet credentials. Alright, then we have to define the sheet which we want to use, and third is a filter which defines the row which we want to use. Let's run this node. So now we got all the data inside n8n. Okay,
yes.
Let's go to next node. So the next node is edit fields node. We are bringing our video URL inside our setup. So let's run this node. Now we have video URL in our table. Alright, let's go to the next node, and this is the very important node for our setup. This node is called analyze video. This node is basically Google Gemini node. For this node to work, you do need to set up your Google Gemini credentials. Okay, let's jump and see what's happening inside this node. First, we have to define our Google Gemini credentials. I will explain you how we created this credentials. Just click here and create new credentials. You have to copy this URL address here. All right, and for the API key, you have to go to Google AI Studio. Create API key. For creating API key, you have to name a key. You can use any name, and you have to make a project here. So you have to create a new project. All right. So once you create a new project, your key will appear here. Then you can copy the key from here and then bring it back to the n8n and paste it over here. All right, so let's use that key, and then all you have to do is to define the model you want to use. The next thing you need is to provide a text input. So this is the text input I provided here. So this is the prompt I'm using inside, and then you have to assign a path to your video URL which is coming from our last node. So let's run this node. It has generated whatever is happening in the videos. So let's go to the next node. So now the next node is called log video analysis. So what we are doing here is we are adding this information back into our Google Sheet. So let's go and execute this node and see what's going to happen. All right, now you see you have a Gemini video analysis over here. So now let's go to step 2, which is generate prompt. Double click on this node and see what's happening here. So first we are using a source prompt. It says generate video prompts using reference video prompt, and then we are writing a system message here.
A system message tells the AI agent what to do.
So we are giving some instructions here,
Giving it guidelines, giving it a rule.
so let's execute this node. So we got title, description, and video prompt from this node. Let's go to the next node, log generated prompts. So let's dive inside this node and see what's happening here. What we are doing here is, again, we are giving Google Sheet credentials. We are passing our sheet information, and then what we are saying is write the video title, description, and prompt back into our Google Sheet. All right. So let's execute this node.
Now in our sheet, it's going to be updated with the video prompt.
Yeah, so now these 3 rows are also updated. Next node is get rows in sheet.
Because we just updated it, so now
We want all the latest information back from our Google Sheet. So alright, so let's execute this node. So we got our updated data, and now it's it's the interesting part of the video. Step 3, create video. The first node is called create Sora2 video.
This node is basically a HTTP request.
Yes.
And the HTTP request is being sent to Key AI, which is an API aggregator.
Yes.
And Key AI, basically we're telling Key AI to make our video.
Yes, we are passing the Key AI URL to create Sora2 videos. What is Key AI? Basically a API aggregator. It has different APIs available. Just start with a $5 and it will give you credits, and that you can use to generate your videos. So we are using a post method and passing the Key AI URL to create Sora2 videos. Also, we are passing a JSON prompt here. We are telling Key AI to use Sora2 model. So let's execute this node. All right, the task is submitted to Key AI and we got our task ID. Next couple of node is also very interesting. It's a loop which take care of the wait period. It automatically checks after every 10 to 15 seconds to make sure that our video is generated or not. So once the video is generated, it will update it back to our Google Sheet. All right, so let's understand what these nodes are. The first one is a wait node, and what we are doing here is we are waiting for 5 seconds. Then the next one is called get video node. It's again a HTTPS request. This time what we are doing is we are getting the video back from Key AI. We are passing the task ID here. So let's execute all these guys together. I'm gonna click here and then let's play a game. So how many turns the loop will do?
0.
0? I'm kind of surprised. How can this be so fast?
Because you're talking for so long.
Oh, right. So yes, the video is already generated, right? So the next step is publishing the video.
Wow, we're that far already.
So we are going to use a service called Blotato. It's a paid service, but it will make sure that your videos are not flagged by YouTube as a spam. All right. So we are using this service. So next couple of nodes are created using Blotato. All right. So we are using this node, media upload node. Double click inside this node and see what we are doing here. We are first passing our Blotato account credential, which we have to go and create inside your Blotato. And then we are passing the reel, which we just now created. So let's run this node. So it will upload your video to Blotato. The next node is creating a YouTube post. All right. This is also a create post node in Blotato. Let's dive in and see what's happening here. So we are using the Blotato credential here. We are defining our YouTube channel. You can link your Blotato account with multiple YouTube channels. And then we are passing all the information which we generated. So once we click this, our video will be automatically published to YouTube. So let's publish it to YouTube. All right. It will take a couple of minutes to publish to YouTube. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the next node and publish those videos also. All right. So we are publishing it both on Instagram and TikTok also. So the next node is the same node, but we are using our Instagram credential this time. All right. So again, we are passing our credentials and then we are passing our Instagram account and then uploading the same description and the same video URL, and then we will execute this node. So this node will publish your video to Instagram. The next node is create post node. This time we are uploading it to TikTok. Double click on this. Again, add your credentials here and then provide your TikTok account and then pass the description, and you have to add is AI generated. Let's execute this node also.
Yes.
All right. So all our nodes are now published.
Let's see what we actually published.
First go to YouTube and then see how our video is looking. All right. This is the video. Wow. That's awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching the video till the end. If you guys want the file, please do like and comment.
And do share the video if you have some friends who might want to watch it too.